Y'all see the shrinkage? That's crazy. That is so crazy. On point.
Wondering why? No, you ain't shy. I'ma say bye.
What's up, you guys? My name is Lauren Nicole and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we're about to do my milk avocado mask, which was so moisturizing. As you can see, it took out so much frizz and literally transformed my hair. And this is what anybody can do. It works great on all hair types. I don't know about straight or wavy hair, but I know for curly hair and kinky hair it's perfect. So without further ado, let's get on to the video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. So these will be the products that I'll be using. I'll be using the Superfoods Get Drenched Shampoo and the Shea Moisture Strength and Restore Conditioner with black castor oil and I believe vinegar. So I'm just going to section off my hair and I'm going to start shampooing. And when I say this freaking shampoo is off the chain, this is probably the only shampoo that I would recommend that I am for sure will not dry anybody's hair out. So if you're looking for a really good shampoo, I would definitely recommend this one. If you love to shampoo your hair and just keep your hair clean without getting too dry, make sure you go get this shampoo. I got it at Target and they had other ones, but this one, I believe this one would be my favorite one out of all of them. So next I'm going to go in and start conditioning my hair. So I do one section at a time. So I did one half of my hair first and then I'm going to do the other half after I'm done with this section. But this brush has changed the game for my hair, like no joke. Any other brush that I've used, I have gotten so much shedding, but with this brush, my shedding, I kid you not, has went down probably 65%. I kid you not. So if you're looking for a really good brush, also if you have a lot of hair, I would highly recommend this brush. So after this, we're going to start mixing up the concoction and everything. And as you can see, I tried to stretch it because I forgot how much my hair grew. And it was a total disaster. So just do not mix water. I know I said to add water, but do not add any water. You'll see.
The ingredients that you're going to need is heavy whipping cream, half of an avocado, and a tablespoon of honey.
So in case any of you go and try to add water in case of emergency, you don't have enough, I'm just showing you guys that it does not work.
Oh, wait a minute. I didn't do it wrong. It's already thick. Okay, so this is what it'll look like. Oh, wait a minute. It just looks like butter. It looks exactly like butter. Be like a little bit of avocado, maybe like half of a half. I'm gonna get some honey, and I'm gonna do like that much. Okay, y'all, so we're about to try it, and it looks like this. It looks like green butter. Oh, look at my freaking hair. Like, it was time to part it. My hair already feels good, but it's about to make my hair feel 20 times better. It feels like real freaking butter. Bro. Oh. I can't even explain what this freaking feels like. Let me put some almond oil with this. Where's my almond oil? Add some almond oil in it. Y'all, my hair feels so freaking good. I really wish I didn't put the water in it. Argan oil of Moroccan conditioner. I'm gonna just put just a little bit. So it is thick. So for best results, I will put it in small sections. It's like coating my hair better than anything right now. No shedding. No shedding. I don't know what the heck I just did, but I just did something. Make sure it is really, really saturated. I'm gonna add some almond oil. So detangle it first, then put it on. And then, oh. Yes, detangle it first, then put it on. Y'all see the shrinkage? That's crazy. That is so crazy. Bro. I barely made it, which is why I had to put conditioner in. So I just put my hair, this is how I deep condition my hair. I just put in a little bun because I had too much hair. Put it back. So I have this little twin turban thing to keep the heat locked in. And then put a little clip right here. And then we're gonna let this sit for probably 30 minutes. I'll do 30.
A few moments later.
Alright, y'all. Yo! My hair is freaking juicy. Yo, look at my freaking curl. It just clumped like it ain't nothing. Bro, okay, so I'm gonna rinse this out.
If I
Okay, y'all, so this is how my hair turned out. My curls is on point. On point. I cannot make this up. My hair has never, ever done this before. Yeah, I don't know. Just go ahead and style my hair. I have never seen anything like it. I'm gonna go ahead and style my hair and we're gonna see what it do. This is the keracare. Yeah, keracare gel essence. I always use this gel from ends to root. Y'all, my hair feels like freaking butter, bro. Like, my hair has never felt like this before. But so far, so good.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
This is like 85% dry. Okay, so this is how my hair turned out. Its own, I would say 9 out of 10. Conditioner gave it enough slip because it is really, really rich. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell. See the new subscribers coming in. So if you are new, welcome. You guys are really subscribing and really staying in tune. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I can't wait to see you in my next video. Bye.